Senator Mike Sonko, mubunge wa Dagoretti South Dennis Waweru na mubunge Mwamure Johnson Sakaja othe aria monanitie wendi wa kuruirira Giturwa giki matinekinyia mucemanio uyu undu uria uronekana tari ngucanio gatagati-ini kao. Ona kwana uguo mucemanio uyu ni wikinyitio ni minister wa mae Eugene Wamalwa uria wari mubunge wa Starehe Margaret Wanjiru na abunge maina kamanda wa Starehe George Thauri wa Embakasi West, James Gakuya wa Embakasi North na Yusuf Hassan wa Kamukoji.
Dennis was one of us. He was also invited. We had also invited our Senator Sonko. We had invited even those who are saying will be candidates who have not declared officially marenda. We had invited them, but to their even Sakanja. But we have no quarrel with any of these candidates. Let them go to the ground, and Nairobi people are the ones to decide. It is Nairobi people who decide.
Gutera kwa atongoria aya mucemanio ucio ironeka tari njira yao ya gwithema na riboti ya gukindirwo kwa Margaret Wanjiru na Eugene Wamalwa kuruirira Giturwa kia gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi.
And we want to assure members of Nairobi that we have been assured by His Excellency the President of this country that our nomination will be done by IEBC, so we will have no problem. Whoever wins the nomination will be the candidate that commander will support, will be the candidate that all these members of parliament will support.
Kiumia githiru ona marenda ni arutire jeneni ya uhotekeku wake wa kuruirira Giturwa kia gavana kaunti-ini no ya Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jetago Simon Kife.